In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Dropbox files. Let's dive right into the world of Dropbox, a cloud storage service that does a lot more than just store your files. It's also a fantastic tool for editing files on the go, and today I'll walk you through exactly how you can make those edits, step by easy step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Dropbox.com. It's where all the magic begins. With a sleek interface and straightforward navigation, Dropbox.com is your gateway to accessing and managing your files securely in the cloud. Once you're on the site, look for the Login button. This might seem like a simple step, but ensuring you're securely logged into your account is crucial for accessing your files and keeping them safe. Dropbox offers several login methods, but for simplicity and added security, let's utilize the Continue with Google option. It streamlines the login process, linking your Dropbox account to your Google account, making future logins hassle-free and secure. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of Dropbox, your digital workspace. Here is where your files and folders live. To proceed, click on the Files section. This part of the site acts like a digital filing cabinet, neatly organizing your documents, images, and other files for easy access. Now let's get to the editing part. Browse through your files and click on the one you wish to edit. Dropbox supports various file types, and picking the right file will bring you one step closer to making those necessary edits. Upon selecting your file, especially if it's a PDF, you'll notice an option to edit PDF right there on the interface. This feature is incredibly handy for making quick annotations or adjustments to your PDF files without needing any additional software. For more detailed edits within your PDF, look for the Edit Text option. This is particularly useful for modifying text in documents, whether you're updating information or correcting typos. It makes editing text in PDFs as easy as editing a Word document. If you wish to add new text to the document, simply click on Add Text. This feature is perfect for inserting additional notes, instructions, or information into your document. The intuitive interface allows you to place this new text exactly where you need it in the document. For those needing to make more creative or freeform edits, the Draw function is your go-to option. It lets you draw directly onto the document, perfect for marking up areas of interest, illustrating concepts, or simply adding a personal touch to your documents. Another powerful feature is the Highlight option. This is particularly useful for emphasizing important sections of text, making it stand out for later reference, or for emphasizing to collaborators. Throughout this process, remember, Dropbox auto saves your edits, ensuring you don't lose any changes if your connection drops or if you accidentally close your browser. However, it's always a good idea to periodically save your progress manually, especially after making significant edits. With these tools and features, Dropbox offers a comprehensive editing suite right at your fingertips, making it effortless to modify files directly within your browser. Whether you're tweaking a resume, annotating a PDF, or making notes on a project proposal, the process is seamless and efficient. And that's essentially it. By following these steps, you've learned how to edit files in Dropbox, turning what might seem like a complex task into a series of simple, straightforward actions. Remember, the power of Dropbox isn't just in storing your files, but also in how you can interact with and modify those files wherever you are on any device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your digital tools. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.